How you doing, guys? Chris here. Well, it looks like we've got some footage from a drone that just happened to catch some space debris that fell the other night. At first, people speculated that it was a meteorite that just broke apart while entering the atmosphere. But as the reports started rolling in, SpaceX was quick to announce that it was part of their Falcon 9 rocket launch. There was a lot of disbelief and talk of UFOs circling the media, but as you can see from this time-lapse photography, it is very similar to what you'd see in a staged rocket disengagement. For example, you'll see here the booster separating from the main hull of the rocket. This visual cue of a halo is a telltale sign of a multi-staged rocket. Fortunately, we were very lucky to get a drone's eye view of this space debris event. So just remember, every time you fly, you're recording the sky. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe.